If it weren't for school, I wouldn't have developed the background needed to have a career that translates engineering achievement into meaningful experiences for end users. So this is the iron ring I got from U of T engineering. For several years, however, I could not wear it because I worked with magnetic resonance spectrometers and especially superconducting magnets. And if I had got stuck in that magnet, it would have cost $20,000 for the liquid helium to fix it. Engineering provided me with a pathway first to help sell instrumentation that, say, had an impact on a person's health. When you sell equipment that detects hearing loss in a 2-day-old baby, that changes the way the baby's parents adapt to the situation and the way the baby grows up. When you sell a piece of equipment and then 45 years later find that customer is getting recognized for the Order of Canada for his work in magnetic resonance research, those are the sort of rewarding things I find. I got a phone call one Saturday morning in March saying that I was getting the award, and that just blew me away. To me, it's a recognition of the volunteer work that I've done. Yes, I achieved a lot of things in my career, but the volunteer work has also been very rewarding, and that goes all the way from participating with Pan Am Games and Invictus Games and Grey Cup Festival to the activities that I'm involved with at engineering here now.